When your AC stops working, just call the experts at KS Services Heating and Air. They're fast and affordable. Right now, purchase any Bryant energy efficient system and save with 0% interest for 60 months with approved credit. It comes included with a 5-year labor warranty. And our fair price guarantee means that we will always give you 3 quotes for every situation. A good, better, and best. Call KS Services Heating and Air today. We roll on, whatever it takes.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Thursday, the 14th of September. I'm James Spann. Heat levels on the way up. Showers fairly widely spaced in coming days. Basically a quiet pattern thanks to an upper ridge building. There's the water vapor satellite view. What's left of Irma. Kind of a large upper trough over the eastern states beginning to lift out. And the basic idea, we'll see a trough in the west, a ridge in the east, where we are. 60s to start the day. We'll be back in the low to mid-80s today, getting back to where we should be. We should be in the mid-80s here in mid-September. There's a watch warning map, a winter storm watch for parts of Montana. The northern Rockies will likely be seeing their first snow of the season in coming days. With that developing trough in the western states, a risk of severe weather around the Four Corners in the southwest, but here things are quiet. And really not much rain. It's a quiet pattern for the next 7 days. This is rain through Thursday of next week for the northern half of the state. Not much at all. A little bit down in South Alabama with scattered showers and storms, but even there, nothing really widespread. In the tropics, Jose still a hurricane. A couple of good-looking waves out on the eastern Atlantic. One coming off the coast of Africa, one a little bit to the west of there. This is the 5-day outlook. The lead wave, based on the Hurricane Center product here, with a higher chance of developing. Looks like a low-latitude system, maybe aiming for the Windward Islands, just way out there. We'll keep an eye on things. Here's a look at Jose early this morning. Top wind 75 miles an hour. Looks like some shear is involved. Again, the Hurricane Center expects this to become a tropical storm later today. And then a hurricane again over the weekend as it begins to hook north and then northeast. Pretty classic recurving path there between the east coast of the United States and Bermuda. Tropical models, good agreement. Nice recurving path. Maybe skirting the Canadian Maritimes. This is the ensemble off the GFS. A little more noisy, but again, the mean, that black line shows a recurving path. But as always, we'll keep an eye on that thing. Here's the intensity guidance. It looks like it's going to stay either a minimal hurricane or a strong tropical storm over the next 5 days. Hey, model fans, here we go. The GFS, the 06C run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time. This is at 500 millibars. New trough developing in the west, the eastern trough beginning to lift out. Partly sunny, highs low 80s today. Showers should be almost impossible to find. Tomorrow, mid-80s. And there might be an afternoon shower in spots, but again, a lot of places will be dry. Saturday, as the weekend begins, this is suggesting there could be enough moisture for a few widely scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms. Highs in the upper 80s. Feel more like summer here. Chance of any one spot getting wet will be about 1 in 4, 1 in 5. And if it happens, it'll move on, kind of like a summer day. In fact, this is the high-res NAM at 1 o'clock Saturday afternoon, showing a few isolated showers about, so just be aware of that. We've got UAB kicking off at noon in Birmingham. Auburn kicks off at 3 in Auburn. Alabama kicks off at 6 in Tuscaloosa. Same thing on Sunday. Partly sunny, a few widely scattered afternoon showers and storms. I'd say highs 87 to 90. And there's Monday. Of course, that's Jose, kind of skirting off the east coast of the United States. This is Tuesday. No change. And Wednesday, very warm. Next week, highs upper 80s, maybe touching 90 on a day or two. It can be hot in September. We all know that. And this is a week from today, Thursday the 21st. Big trough in the west, big ridge in the east. And again, for us, things pretty quiet. Very warm. Any showers very widely scattered. Here's the end of the forecast period, 10 days out. This is Saturday, September 23rd. Same thing, a big upper high sitting right on top of us. So we'll be very warm. After that kind of cold snap here earlier this week, that'll be kind of a distant memory. And again, not much rain. The rest of September looks relatively dry. Highs in the 80s, lows in the 60s, and again, we might touch 90 on a day or two along the way. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening, on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
AC broken? Just call KS Services Heating and Air. All Bryant energy efficient systems come with a 5-year labor warranty, and our fair price guarantee means that we'll always give you 3 quotes for every situation. Just call KS Services Heating and Air today.